If you could see the world through my eyes, vibrant purple sunrise, shards of broken dreams come raining down.
Mark here, Life and Fitness Files. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Today, just gonna be showing you one of my favorite exercises to work our rear delt, so our rear shoulder muscle. The best way that I have found to do that is hip huggers. So I'm gonna demonstrate how that works, what that looks like, and how you can incorporate that into your workout to build some strength and muscle in your rear delts. So essentially what you're doing with hip huggers, you are going to be holding dumbbells, have the dumbbells in your hands at your sides, and really you're going to take your arms and come up along your hips, which is where the name comes from, hip huggers. Keep that alongside your hips and come back down. Show you another angle here. You're coming up. You are not moving your arms out. You're not moving your arms back. You are literally bringing your arms straight up and straight back down. So your hand is coming, your elbow is going to flare out. That's what helps target your rear delt. So arms at your side, dumbbells in your hands. Your fingers are essentially gliding up your sides along your hip. Your elbow flares out and you come back down. Pretty simple. So let's show what that looks like with weights in our hands. So here, these are relatively light weights, but to demonstrate, come up and back down. Your hands are gliding along your hips. Essentially, when you're holding dumbbells, the dumbbells are gliding along your hips. Up, contract that muscle and come back down slowly. Show you from another angle here. Contract that muscle, bring your hands right along your side and come back down. Pretty simple exercise, but a really great exercise to help target that specific muscle. So I'll show you with heavier weight. Same. You can really use this exercise to work through a progressive overload. Start where you feel comfortable, but you can work your way up. Doesn't put a lot of strain on other muscles in your body while we're isolating and targeting your rear delts, and you can work up to the weights that you feel comfortable. So there you have it, hip huggers to work your rear delt, rear shoulder muscle, helps you isolate that, gives you a good contraction and mind muscle connection with your rear delt. One of my favorite ways to work that specific muscle. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. You can check out other videos. If you have any questions, make sure to leave those in the comments below. If there's other things that you would like to see or your experience, things that you like, what works for you, leave those in the comments below as well. Here's to life and fitness. Peace out.